Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make a sesame til chutney dry, which can be stored in an airtight container for about 3 to 4 weeks. So here I've taken sesame seeds, they're cleaned. We're going to roast it. Now here sesame seeds get roasted very quickly and get burnt also, but it remains uncooked. There is a raw flavor in there. So when they are hot, add few spoons of water. So when you add few spoons of water, it slows down the roasting process and sesame seeds gets cooked properly. So if you are making any recipe, try this trick. You will see the difference in the taste. So now I'm roasting it on a low flame. So usually it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's going to take for me about 6 to 7 minutes at least to roast this. Now water is evaporated. Now I'm going to roast it until sesame seeds start popping up. When they are done, they start popping up. So now they are roasted. You can feel the flavor, the popping up. So now I'm going to take it out in a plate and allow it to cool down. We need to blend it only when it's cooled down. So I'm roasting cumin seeds. Cumin seeds is very good for digestion and the flavor is also awesome. So we're going to roast it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And cumin seeds give us nice flavor to this chutney. So allow it to cool down. And now we are going to blend cumin seeds, sesame seeds, add salt as needed, chili powder depending on how spicy you want. So you can adjust as per your taste. And we are going to add garlic. We don't need to roast garlic, so 4 pods of garlic I have added. Blend to a coarse powder. This can be served with rice, roti, bread. Can be stored in an airtight container for about 3 to 4 weeks. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you.